and welcome to today's grammar game show. I'm your host, Will. It rhymes with thrill. And of course, let's not forget Leslie, our all-knowing voice in the sky.
Hello, everyone.
Tonight, we're going to ask you 3 questions about...
So and such. Those 2 little intensifiers that allow us to modify adjectives and nouns.
Okay, now let's meet our contestants.
Hi all, my name's Mark.
And contestant number 2.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Celine. It's nice to meet you, Mark.
Oh, thanks. It's nice to meet you too. I love your blouse.
Oh, thanks. It's really kind of you to say.
Yes, all right. Enough fraternizing. Nice to see you again, Mark. Okay, let's get going, and don't forget, you can play along at home too. Our first round is a Find the Mistake round. Look at these sentences and tell me why they are incorrect. How was your holiday? It was such sunny. It was so a sunny place.
Oh, I'm sorry. After you.
Oh, no. After you.
No, after you.
Good grief. Mark, it was you.
They're the wrong way around. Don't we use so with adjectives and such with noun phrases?
Leslie?
Well done. We can use so and such to emphasize something that we are talking about. We use so to emphasize an adjective and such to emphasize a noun phrase. It was so sunny. It was such a sunny place.
Good job. Here's a bonus question. If the thing we emphasize using so and such causes a reaction, what structure do we need to add?
We use a that clause.
Leslie?
Absolutely right. We can add a that clause to a so or such phrase to say that the thing we are emphasizing is the reason that something happened.
Well done, Celine. Okay, it's time for a quick fire round. Complete these so and such phrases with a that clause. The day was so sad
That I couldn't believe it when I met Mark.
Correct.
She's such a kind person.
That you can always ask her for help.
Correct.
Yes, quite. I met someone so attractive.
That I can't resist how I feel.
Correct.
Focus on the game, please. There was such chemistry.
That I couldn't control myself.
Correct.
All right, stop it now. You're making everyone ill. 2 points each. Okay, on to our second round. How can we use so and such to emphasize a great quantity of something?
Please, after you.
I couldn't possibly.
As if I could go before you, Celine.
Celine!
We combine them with much and many.
How about an example?
Celine has such many points that I could never win.
That answer was totally wrong.
Was it? I'm sorry, I seem to have lost focus.
Stop it! Leslie!
When we want to emphasize the quantity of something, we can combine so with much or many. Much is used for uncountable nouns, so much love, and many is used for countable nouns, so many hugs. However, we cannot combine such with either much or many. That form does not exist.
All right, lover boy, minus 8 points to you. Mark! Celine! Oi! Look at me! On to our last question. Look at these two short dialogues and tell me what the difference is between so, such, and very.
You are very late. I'm sorry I'm so late. I missed the bus. We had a very good time. Why do you think you had such a good time?
Oh, third time. I'm sorry.
Oh, it must be destiny.
Oh, you're making the audience sick. Celine, you go.
Well, all three are being used to emphasize something, so I'm not sure. Maybe Marky knows. He's so clever.
His name's Mark.
Thanks, Celine. In the first line of each dialogue, the speaker introduces a new idea. In the second, the person emphasises the same idea. So it's something to do with new information and known information.
Leslie!
Well done, Marky. So, such, and very can emphasize. But we usually use very when giving new information, and so or such to emphasize information that is already known.
Well done. Have 7 points between you.
Oh, no, you can have them, Celine.
No, you can have them, Mark.
No, you.
No, you.
Oh, let it end already. Well, that brings us to the end of today's grammar game show. Let's count out the points. And the winner is... up to you. Mark? Celine? One of you has to lose. Who's it going to be?
I'll lose. Let her win.
No, Mark, you can't.
My darling, it's a far better thing I do than I have ever done before.
All right, you chose. Watch out for the elephants. It looks like we'll need another contestant. And Celine, well done to you. Here's what you've won.
It's a tandem bicycle. Perfect for taking long rides with your lover.
I'll never love again.
We'll see you again next week where you can play for another prize. Thanks for joining us. Say goodbye, Leslie.
Ciao, Leslie.
See you next time. Wave, Celine. Wave and smile.